Hello, I'm Simon Leggett from LightPlanet, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about our latest product, which is the LightPlanet EQ60 LED light bulb. The product is an energy-saving light bulb, and it's designed to replace an incandescent 60-watt standard light bulb. The benefit, of course, is that being an LED, it's going to reduce energy consumption considerably. And there are other technologies that have been attempting to do that. Most energy-saving light bulbs at the moment are using compact fluorescent technology, and they're known as CFLs. CFL light bulbs employ the same technology used to light a tube light in a typical office. It's not a particularly attractive format, so what they've tried to do is to make it look more like a light bulb by curling up the tube into what looks like a contorted little package. They're quite effective and they're very efficient, but they do contain considerable amounts of mercury, and the downside is that they take a long time to warm up. So sometimes when you want to just open a door, go into a room, switch the light on, it takes a little while for you to be able to see where you're going, and that's not great. We don't want to go backwards with the lighting, what we want to do is go forwards. And LED technology, we feel, is the way. This product is available in the usual bulb formats, and the first thing you notice about it is that it's like a light bulb. It looks the same size and shape. It isn't a contorted product. It has a bayonet fixture or an E27 Edison screw fitting, and it'll switch on just like an ordinary light bulb. In fact, it's terribly boring in that way. What's quite exciting about it is that it's even more efficient than a compact fluorescent. It only uses 7 watts of energy to light up to the same amount of light output as a 60-watt incandescent light bulb, so that's a considerable saving in energy and, of course, cost. But the most important feature of a light bulb is not the amount of energy that it uses or how much it costs to run. It's the kind of light that it puts out. Is there enough of it? Is the light quality good enough? Is the colour temperature of the light appropriate for its application? With the EQ60 bulb, we think that we've achieved a really high level of light quality, and we have 2 options on colour temperature for those who prefer a cooler white and those who prefer a warmer white. I'd like to demonstrate those for you now. So here we have a warm white bulb, and I'll switch it on so that you can get a feel for the kind of colour temperature that is. It's very similar, in fact, to a standard incandescent light bulb. Note that there's no bright points in the light at all. It's a very uniform, very diffuse light. I'll switch that one off now, and I'll show you a cool white, and hopefully the video will be able to tell the difference in colour temperature. Here's the cool white version then. It's slightly more powerful than the warm white product. LEDs are slightly more efficient when they're in a cool white. But the most important thing about this is it's not a bluey white light. It's a very clean white light. The last demonstration that I'd like to show you is a comparison between a compact fluorescent and the LightPlanet EQ60 light bulb. In order to make it a fairly close comparison, we've tried to work with equivalent products. For the compact fluorescent product, the standard energy-saving bulb, we've chosen a 9-watt product. And bear in mind that the LightPlanet EQ60 is only using 7 watts of power in total. This product here is the 9-watt compact fluorescent, and this product here is the LightPlanet EQ60. I'll switch them both on at the same time so we can get an idea of how they perform. You can see that the LightPlanet product lights up very quickly to full brightness. I'll switch it off now so that you can see how the other product's performing. This is one of the weaknesses of compact fluorescent bulbs. They do take a long time to warm up, and actually in total light output, when this one's been lit for 10 minutes, it'll not be too far off the EQ60. But by that time, you might have left the room. So, from a performance perspective, the LightPlanet EQ60 is more than a match for a 9-watt compact fluorescent. And it's also more than a match for a 60-watt incandescent too. So from an energy-saving perspective, it's excellent. Colour temperature is good too. You have the choice of the cool white or the warm white, as we demonstrated. As far as fittings are concerned, we have the bayonet B22 fitting or the Edison screw E27 fitting, both of them fairly standard across the UK market. The product will last for 10 years or more, depending on use, so it's going to be installed for a long time to come. The price in the UK market is £14.99, and it's available from our website at www.lightplanet.co.uk. Thanks for watching.